So our spotlight speaker this week is Mr. Stan Shields. I've known him for several years. He does some really exciting things as far as marketing automation and AI that I've used a lot myself, full disclosure, and gotten that set up, which has been awesome. He's been a member of Support Local in another one of the chapters for years, and recent to our chapter, but not new to the Support Local community at all. So, with enough introduction there, Mr. Shields, if you want to share your screen and get into your 10-minute spotlight speaker briefing.
Today we're going to talk about how is AI saving local business, one missed call at a time. And let's see, 62% of calls to local businesses during business hours go unanswered. 85% of those callers don't ever call back. They don't try again. Instead, 74% of those will go over to your competitors and join with your competitors. And so there's thousands of dollars being lost because of those missed calls and somebody not answering the phone. So meet the AI front desk assistant that never sleeps. It's a voice AI assistant that greets callers professionally, handles FAQs, books appointments, and follows up automatically. The Webchat AI will engage with website visitors 24/7, qualifies leads, gets contact info, books appointments, and more. And then Reviews AI will help you get reviews from those happy customers that you have. And then once they give you a review, the Reviews AI will follow up with them so that Google sees that your business is interacting and that you are fully engaged with your business, and Google then sends more to you. So now let's not listen to me talk about it anymore, but let's do a live demo. So my new friend Adam is going to call the AI and demonstrate it for us. So Adam, are you queued up? Are you ready?
Yes, sir, I can be.
Okay.
This call will be recorded for quality purposes. Please hold while we transfer you to a member of our team. Hi, you have reached NovaCore Marketing. I'm Serena, the AI assistant. Would you like a demonstration today of how voice AI can help your business?
Yes.
Great. Today, I'll demonstrate how I can act as a customized voice AI assistant for your business. Before we begin, please speak clearly and a little louder than usual to help me avoid any mistakes. To start, may I have your full name, please?
Adam Terrasa.
Thanks, Adam. Just to make sure I've got it right, your name is Adam Terasa. Is that correct?
Yes.
Perfect. Can you please provide your best email address where we can contact you? I promise we won't spam you.
info@crewchiefcleanouts.com.
Got it. Just to confirm, your email address is info@crewchiefcleanouts.com. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you, Adam. Now, I'll ask a few quick questions to understand your business, and then we'll jump into the role-play demonstration. What's the name of your business?
Crew Chief Cleanouts and Junk Removal.
Thanks for sharing. So your business is Crew Chief Cleanouts and Junk Removal, correct?
No.
My apologies. Let me get that right. It's Crew Chief Cleanouts and Junk Removal, correct?
Correct.
Thank you for clarifying. Can you tell me more about Crew Chief Cleanouts and Junk Removal? For example, what industry you're in, how long you've been in business, and who your primary customers are.
In business for 6 months, primary customers, property management, construction, landscape, everyday homeowner.
Got it. So you've been in business for 6 months, and your primary customers include property management companies, construction teams, landscapers, and everyday homeowners. That's a great mix. What types of customer interactions do you handle most often? For example, inquiries, appointment bookings, or support?
Inquiries and bookings.
Thanks for that. So, inquiries and bookings are the main interactions you handle. What tone and style would you like me to use when interacting with your customers? Friendly, formal, casual, or something else?
Friendly.
Got it. Friendly tone it is. Are there any specific scenarios or challenges you'd like me to demonstrate during the role play? For example, handling a booking or addressing a customer concern.
Handling a booking.
Perfect. Just to clarify, when we start the role play, I'll represent crew chief cleanouts and junk removal, and you'll act as a potential customer. Sound good?
Great.
All right, let's begin. Role play starts now. Hello, and thank you for calling crew chief cleanouts and junk removal. This is your voice AI assistant. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I have a property that someone moved out of and has a lot of trash and junk I need removed. Can you help me with price?
Of course, I can help with that. To provide an accurate price, we typically consider factors like the volume of junk, the type of items, and the location of the property. Would you like to schedule an on-site estimate, or do you have details you'd like to share now?
I have details now.
Great. Could you share a bit more about the property? For example, the size of the space, the type of junk that needs removal, and any specific items or challenges we should know about?
3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-family home, trash in all 3 bedrooms, couches, beds, and trash in the garage. About 15 items.
Got it. Based on the details you shared, we can provide a more accurate estimate after confirming a few more specifics. Would you like to book an appointment for an on-site
Yes.
estimate? I can check our availability for you.
Yes, please do.
Sure. Let me check the available slots for you. One moment. Here are the available slots. Tomorrow, October 3rd at 12:45 p.m. or 2:30 p.m. Monday, October 6th at 10:15 a.m. or 12 p.m.
Tomorrow at 2.
Work for you?
Tomorrow, yes.
It looks like the closest available time tomorrow is at 2:30 p.m. Would
Perfect.
you like me to book that for you?
Yes.
You're all set for tomorrow, October 3rd at 2:30 p.m. The confirmation has been sent to your email at info@crewchiefcleanouts.com. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No.
Thank you again for your time today. Wishing you a fantastic rest of your day.
All right. Thank you, Adam. So what's the ripple effect of that? It's more calls, more appointments, more reviews, and more revenue for your business. The traditional approach to getting those phones answered is going to be hiring part-time receptionists or after-hour services, and all of those kinds of things could be as much as $2,000 a month or more. The AI solution is as low as $397 per month. It's on 24/7, 365, never calls in sick or take vacations. No human training is required, and you get consistent professional experience with that kind of a system. So if you're watching or anybody you know that would like to experience a service like this, you can scan that QR code or use that number, that 725 number, 525-3542 to call it, just like Adam did, and you get to experience it with it, where it will role play and show how it would work within your business. Maybe take a screenshot of my info right there if anybody wants to book an appointment. That last item, oops, I meant to go back. That last item is my 30-minute meeting for kind of a get to know you kind of a meeting. So, Jeff, do we have a minute or two for any questions?
Hey, Stan, does this fit any business?
Yes. Who asked that?
Me for real estate, because I do get leads that call, and sometimes I can't get to all of them.
Yep.
So, okay.
Yeah, I did a demo for Linden at one point that, for the whole real estate thing where literally we can set that thing up so that when somebody calls in, it can answer questions about specific properties. It can then transfer it directly to anybody that, you want to get it to transfer it to, but it will literally answer whatever questions. Like Adam started getting into price and all of that. Those aren't in the system for his kind of a business right now. So, but we build a knowledge base that really applies to your specific business. So when people ask questions about your specific business, it's got a knowledge base that does that. The AI that Adam just went with is very general, and AI is pulling stuff, but it's trained to not make up stuff. Like he was pressing to get the price, but she's saying, well, we need an appointment to do that, right? Which is really the better thing to do anyway. Unless you want your prices out there, then yes, we can set that up in the knowledge base for AI to do that.